等一下，有一个左边。左边有一个，或者说你正前方，右边，右边到。Put that one down. Right there. Capture them. Go. 左边。
Oh, I just hit you. Get down, Toby. Sit down, Toby. I hit you like 3 times. Dude, that kid's been pissing me off all day.
Dude, what I wouldn't give to see that kid again.
What, the fat kid right there on top of the hill?
No, the kid that was shooting the pistol that we all confirmed hitting like 5 or 6 times.
So like after
Oh, dude, I know I hit that guy.
Sit down, Toby.
So the stands were like, hey, the kid hit me from here.
It's called Charlie.
And then they're like, well, I'll duck down, but that didn't hit me. Oh, dude, come on, money.
Wow.
Dude,
All of those were
no, I
hits.
just saw that.
At least 2.
Sit down! Chill.
Who cares?
We'll light
Chill.
them later.
What the fuck? What's he gonna do? Tell his dad?
Dad, he yelled at me. I want a Twinkie, I'm sad. Alright, I just want to check it.
All over his head.
Yeah, we can get lit up on the right there. You want to go back out? Oh, yeah.
Did you hit him on the run?
Yeah.
Hey, hi. How are those? Are you kidding? Dick.
Got 2 guys walking up.
Dude, are you seeing this shit?
Yeah, I'm seeing it, man.
It's that guy with the mask right there that we're shooting at. That's the dude who's not calling any of his hits.
No, that's not little tubby kid.
Or what about the big tubby dude with the...
Well, he sat down finally.
You gotta put those on the Snohomish site.
Yeah, those are hitting you.
Oh, he's out. He's
Oh,
out.
Tubby finally got hit. Yay.
Woohoo!
Nice, he took out Tubby.
He said,
Can we shoot those guys?
Might as well.
he ducked. If he ducked. How's it going up there?
It's pretty nice.
Nice and hot. 2, 1. Look left. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Go. Holy shit, hey, hey, hey. That was a bad idea. I'm set. Hey, they're rushing you. They're rushing.
Hey, I'm hit. I'm hit.
Hit, hit.
Ow, my head.
bleed out's done. I'm out. Come on, our bleed out's done.
People are dead, damn it. How hard is that?
Who's still in? Hey buddy, like, use the food. Who's still in?
Not everyone.
Most of the guys are here dead.